Hey, Eric here with Tumbler and the Python, and with me I have one of our representatives from Grants Pass, who is also a hemp farmer himself, Ryan.
So, good morning. Hello,
thanks,
everybody.
Yeah, thanks Ryan for joining us. I just know that you were one of the original people to have the Python for your harvest. So can you tell me a little bit about the decision-making process and how you decided on using the Python?
Yeah, we were on we had about 400 acres of land that we were farming, and it became necessary to find a full-size solution for our trimming needs. Rather than looking to an entire fleet of small trimmers, we felt that Tom's innovation here was a good way to maximize our return on investment and also to decrease our labor costs significantly. So that's how we came to find Tom. Before I came to work for Tom, I was a customer. Still have the Python and use it successfully through all its forms and evolution.
So Brian, what's one of the most significant factors that you would want to let people know to be able to successfully use the Python?
Most importantly is making sure that your flour is dried to the appropriate level. That way you'll maximize your efficiency through the machine and you'll get your best finished product on the other end. So you'll end up with very minimal touch-up, if any. We always sent our flour through a quality control process to sort it and separate it anyway. So whether it was going through a bunch of small batch machines or hand trimming, it's always got to be looked at with human eyes and separated appropriately.
Perfect.